replacement temp parts, please contact customer service with your previous order number. Locate the broken bracket on your frame. Using a screwdriver, remove the large screws holding the truss bars to the leg bracket. Now, pull the truss bars back out of the upper leg bracket to access a small screw that secures the bracket to the leg. Using a screwdriver, remove the small screw from the upper leg bracket. Lift off the leg bracket. With your new leg bracket in hand, align the small hole on the leg with the hole that is inside the bracket's truss mounts and push into place. Insert the small screw into the aligned holes and screw tight. Next, take the truss bars and push them back into the bracket's truss mounts, making sure the holes in the bars are aligned with the holes in the bracket. Lastly, place the large screws back into the bracket's mount holes and screw tight.